Click on this subscribe button to watch more videos on my YouTube channel. To get latest notifications and updates about my videos, click on this bell icon. Hi friends, in this video I am going to explain divide and measure, two commands. I will explain you in this tutorial. First go on to the Auto-Cad file, open the Auto-Cad, then go on to the new. After one of the dialog box will appear, select the ACAD and go on to the open with no template metric. I want to develop this in metric format, then only I am selecting the metric. You want to develop the imperial, you can also select that one. And I want to explain about the divide and measure commands, and go on to the first go on to the line. On the toolbar the line is there. I am going to the command line and L enter, and line specify first point and draw the line of any of the distance as your wish, and go on to the divide. The command is also divide and the measure also. By type on the command divide and measure and select the divide option and select the object and divide, enter the number of segments it is asking. You should type the number of segments. I'm giving the segments of, for example, 5, and after that select that. See, the 5 segments are shown on the figure. The points are not highlighting. I will show you how to change the point style also. See, this is the point. By checking the linear option, the points are observing on the screen. The point is not visible because the points are so small, then only it is not visible the points. You want to change the point styles, go on to the point style on the utilities and click on the point style, P type. The command is P type, and go on to the point style, and one of the dialog box will appear, and select the large style font and give the point sizes. You can give the percentage, and also you should give the absolute units also. I am giving the percentage to 10% and click on OK. See, the points are visible on the screen. To change the point style, the P type is the command. I'm checking the dimensions, all are, it is divided the all of the line to equal parts or not, then only I'm checking the all of the dimensions, all are. See, the all is 52.4 mm distance. It is divided by using the divide command, and I will explain the measure command same as this process only. This is the command. You have to use this command to develop the divide and draw the one of the line of some of the distance, same as previous, and go to the measure option and the measure. Click on the measure tool and select the object and measure specify length of the segment it asking. It asking the length is required. I am giving the length of on the command line. It asking like that. I am giving the 50 mm distance, for example 60, and click on OK, enter. Then the points are created. See, because the point style is changed, I am checking the dimensions. The 60 in between the distance are 60 or not. See, the 59.25 like this. The 60, the dimensions all are 60. The line is divided into equal parts by using the divide and measure options. Not only by using the line operation, you can also use this type of divide and measure for the circular and or any of the object and the curved objects also. I will explain that example also. This is the line example I explained in this tutorial. I will explain the circular options also, and go on to the see the this part of the one of the example is completed. I want to explain about the point style. These are different types of point styles are available. You want to give the different types of point style. You can change the point style by simply giving the point size. The style will changes, and the point size also you can change as your requirement. This is one of the example. I will explain one of the example by using the circle operation, and go on to the circle, C enter. After that circle is created, the draw and go on to the divide and enter the number of segments. I'm giving the 12 segments. See, already the point style is changed. The circle is of the distance is divided into 12 segments. You want to check the dimensions and equal or not, equispaced distance or not. You can check by using the align operation for the circle, and 25.29 and the 25.29. The 25.29 distance is completed, and go on to the radius. You can check the radius also. Radius is 48.46, actual radius is 48.46. Like this you can create the different objects as you wish. You can develop the different types of objects. See, I'm checking the all of the line before what I drawn. You can check by using the calculator also it is correct or not, and the circle is completed. By using the divide operation, I will explain the measure by using the same circle operation. By using the command line, go on to the command and see enter and draw the one of the small circle of any of the radius or diameter, and give the measure option and select the object and select the length of the segment, how much space is required in between. I am giving the 40. See, the spaces remain like this as per according to the circular radius and the diameter, the distances will changes. If the circle diameter is in actual position, the parts of the distances are equispaced as compared to the previous and this circle. This is the method to use the divide and measure operations of any of the object as per your requirements. We can also practice this drawing in different types of objects. You can use the polyline options and some of the curves also. It can give the exact dividing points and exact measure points by using the divide measure options. The divide measure options are very helpful to measure the equispaced distance of any of the circles or equispaced distance of any of the lines or some of the objects. This is the divide and measure commands.